Hello, little artists! Are you ready to draw something super cute today? Yay! Let's draw a baby tiger playing with a toy train. Grab your crayons and let's begin.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, let's draw a big, round head for our baby tiger. Great job! Now, draw two cute ears on the top of the head. So adorable. Next, let's add some stripes on the face. Tigers love their stripes. Now draw the eyes, nice and round. Add a little nose and a happy, smiling mouth. Wow, our tiger looks friendly already. Let's draw the hands and the body. Make the tiger sit on the floor. Now draw the long tail behind the tiger. Swoosh. Next, let's draw a toy train in front of the tiger. Choo-choo! Add the engine, the window, and the wheels. Finally, draw some little grass on the floor. Perfect! Now it's time to color. Get ready. First, color the eyes. Make them shiny and bright. Now, color the black stripes on the face. Nice and neat. Next, color the black stripes on the body and the tail, looking like a real tiger. Now, color the whole body orange. Wow, that tiger is glowing. Color the inside of the ears pink. So cute. Now color the train window sky blue. Looks like glass. Color the train body red, bright and fun. Color the train wheels and whistle yellow. Awesome! Finally, color the grass green, fresh and happy. Hey! Your baby tiger and toy train are all done. You did an amazing job today. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. Bye-bye, little artists!